What is up everybody, welcome to GysticTutorials, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change your Gmail password. Let's get into it. Okay, so you need to open up Gmail and sign into your account. Then once signed into your account, you want to go over to this little settings cog here and click on that. And then you want to click on settings again, wait for it to load. And then go over to accounts and import, that's the one. And it'll be right at the top here, it'll say change password. So you just go ahead and click that. It's going to take you to this screen and it's going to ask you to put in your password, so just go ahead and do that. If you don't know your password, click forgot password and use your backup email address or the security questions or whatever. Once you put in your password, just click next. And now here's where you can come up with your new password. So now we can go ahead and click change password. Why not save it? And our password was changed. Hell yeah! Then it's going to ask you to review all your security stuff, but you don't really need to do this. Yeah, that is how you change your Gmail account password. If this video did help you, please hit that like button, and if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you have any problems, be sure to leave a comment below, I'll be glad to help out. And that is it from everybody, have a wonderful day, and peace out.